In this video, we will cover how admins can view employees, attendance data and insights for regular and split shifts, reassign shifts to employees, and update the effective date of the attendance scheme. Navigate to leave and attendance. Information, attendance info. Let's first start by viewing the employee's attendance data. Search for the employee. The page displays a summary of the current attendance period month, such as average work hours, average actual hours, and penalty days. Click Insights to view the employee's shift information or attendance data. Select the date range. The important difference to note here is that the normal shift shows information for a day, whereas the split shift shows as per the sessions. Now let us learn how to reassign the employees to another shift. Just click Edit, select the day type and shift type, click Save. Then to update the effective date of the scheme, click Edit, select the effective date and click Save. You can also view other details such as status, session, overtime info, permission info, and swipes. Click the Swipes card and it displays the employee's recorded swipe details for a selected date, such as swipe time and location. You can also click Info to view the detailed information such as employee name, employee ID, longitude, latitude, and Google Maps link. Similarly, you can change the shift and attendance scheme even in the table view. Here information such as first in, last out, total work hours, and total actual hours, etc. is displayed. Select the required date range. Then under Permission Details, click Info to view the permission details. Scroll down to view the employee's total number of present days, holidays, rest days, and absent days. Refer to the legends for further assistance. Wasn't that easy and quick? This video will guide you on viewing, reassigning, updating effective dates for regular shifts and split shifts.